In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Venmo to Chime. By the way, if you're a business owner, Venmo is probably not the right solution for you. But more on that later. First, open the Venmo app on your phone. Once you're on the home screen, tap the Me tab in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the settings icon in the top right corner of the screen. From there, select Payment Methods. Now tap Add a bank or card. At this point, you can either add your Chime bank account using your routing and account number or add your Chime debit card for faster transfers. Once your Chime account or card has been linked successfully, go back to the Me page on Venmo. Under your Venmo balance, tap Transfer Balance. Then enter the amount of money you want to transfer. Venmo will now ask whether you want an instant transfer or a standard transfer. Instant transfers usually arrive within minutes but may include a small fee, while standard transfers are typically free and take 1 to 3 business days. After selecting the transfer speed, choose your linked Chime account or Chime card as the destination and confirm the transfer. Once completed, the money will be sent from your Venmo balance directly to your Chime account. Venmo is decent, but personally I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. Link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, AirWallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what Venmo offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed AirWallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.